2018 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, rear window defroster, CD player, electronic stability control, trip computer, brake assist, tachometer, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, overhead console, front bucket seats, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, rear window wiper. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.